What's going on, guys? It is now 2018, so I hope you all had a good New Year's, and we actually have a surprise for you guys. This kind of was a surprise to us as well. I didn't really expect to get this, but we did get a new project car, which we will be showing you guys right now. It is dark out, so we're not going to get the best view of it right now, but we figured we would share this with you guys because we have nothing else to make a video about. We did just go pick this thing up earlier today, and it was really cold out to get it, and we just didn't have a whole bunch of time, so we just brought it over here, and we're going to show it to you guys right now. So I'm going to get the minivan backed out, and then we're going to pull her into the garage real quick, and then we'll go over our new project. I think you guys should be pretty excited. It's definitely a different car than what you guys are used to seeing on this channel, but I think you guys will like it. So I'm going to get the minivan out of here, and we'll pull her in. There you go, guys. This is no joke. We got ourselves an S14. Ooh, drift car. Okay, so yeah, this is not a joke. We actually just picked this thing up today. So I guess the story behind it is that Emilio had two of these. He had this S14 and an S13 that he got through some trade deal or whatever. And you know, a few months ago I was kind of joking with him like, yo, if you ever want to get rid of those, let me know, because I'd be kind of down to buy one, because I've honestly been trying to get into like the drift scene a little bit. I've kind of wanted to get a rear-wheel drive car, but you know, I wasn't really serious about it, and I didn't think he would actually, you know, give one of these up. But he's looking to clear some space, and he ended up parting with this one. And yeah, so we bought it from him today. And this is going to be another project car to add to our list. We have a lot of project cars, but I'm pretty excited about this one. So we got a pretty good deal on it. I paid $2,500 for this thing, and it has some goodies in there for sure. But the one catch is that there's a slight noise in the motor, and we're not quite sure what it is yet. It could possibly be a rod knock or, you know, something in the head. So yeah, that's something we're going to have to figure out. But I'm pretty excited for this. It came on these XXRs. And honestly, the body is in pretty good shape. And yeah, nice, honestly, it just happened so fast. Like, I was not expecting to get this car at all, but we went and looked at it. I thought it was badass, and we made it happen. We bought it, and this is our car now. So we officially have a S14 drift car, bro.
A Poo 40.
A Poo 40.
I love that name.
Yeah, so it's been sitting outside. It's a little cold, a little frosty, and she's been sitting at Emilio's house for a couple months. It's pretty dirty. I think we might go wash it off real quick, even though it is freezing out. I do want to get it cleaned off because we might not be messing with it right away. We might be letting it sit for a little bit because I still want to do a couple more things on the van. But yeah, we have a lot of projects already, so it's nothing we can't handle though. We're getting them all done. Gives us something to do.
Yep.
But I'm honestly really excited. This thing's sweet.
Dude, it looks just so good.
I hope you guys are excited about it.
It's really nice.
I am pretty excited about it. So obviously it's not in perfect condition. The body's a little beat here and there. Got some drift stitches down here and a couple dings here and there, but it has a nice body kit. The paint's really nice other than the minor damage that it does have. But I'm really stoked on this one. So we'll get into a little more of what it has here in a bit. I think we're going to take it to the car wash real quick. It is okay to run it and drive it, at least for now. I mean, if it is a rod knock, then it's whatever. The motor would have to come out anyway, so we're just going to drive it. The car wash is just down the street. But yeah, we'll see what that is another day. And I guess let's take it down.
Yep.
Let's go drive it.
Let's go.
So we just got her rinsed off. She is looking much cleaner. And let's take a quick look under the hood. All right, so here's a look under the engine bay. I know it's not the cleanest engine bay in the world. It has this weird mint color that doesn't really match the rest of the car. But as you guys can see, it has an SR20 in there. This motor is completely stock and it's obviously boosted. The only thing that it has done to it, as far as I know, is bigger injectors, and I was told other than that it is completely stock. So it has a Garrett turbo. I forgot what size. It's like a something 28. Forgot the number, but it has a Garrett turbo, full turbo kit, and this thing has some other goodies as well. And I really don't know a whole bunch about these cars, and that's a reason why I kind of wanted to get this thing. So as you guys know me, I work on a lot of Hondas and things like that. I have my one Toyota MR2, so this will be a good chance to work on something different, learn about some other cars. And yeah, I'm honestly pretty excited about this thing, even though we might not be working on it right away. We have some other things to be doing. Like, we have a lot of cars over here, so we have a lot of work to do on the other things as well. But I wanted to pick this thing up while we could, because Emilio was getting rid of it, and I figured it would be a good opportunity to pick this thing up. And I hope you guys will enjoy the build later on, but I am just letting you guys know we might not be working on it right away. But yeah, I can go over the car a little more, at least for what I know. It has XXRs. I do not know the size. They're probably like 17 by 9s, I would assume. Something like that. It has Megan Racing coilovers. And if we move on to the inside of the car, the interior is going to need some work. So we are missing the door panels, and we're also missing a couple trim pieces inside the car. We're missing this piece that goes around the shifter right here, that plastic piece. We're missing some of the climate control stuff. So there's like no heaters, no switches or anything like that. So I'm gonna try to find some of that stuff. It does have a wood grain quick release steering wheel, so that's pretty dope. And we got the wood grain shifter that's really loose. And we also have this gauge pillar right here with an AEM wideband and boost gauge. This was just mounted right up there, but I broke the one zip tie that was holding it up. So gonna have to fix that. We're missing the other door panel over here. And it does have the full interior other than that. But yeah, it's in all right shape. I wouldn't call it the best of shape, but it's a project car, so it's gonna need some work. I didn't want to buy something that was just ready to go, and I think we got a decent deal on it, because these things go for quite a bit around here, especially considering that it has an SR20 in it that's boosted. It made 380 horsepower. So if we were able to figure out what's wrong with the motor and, you know, fix it for pretty cheap, I think this would be a great starter for like a drift car, and, you know, just have some fun with it. So I think the power right where it's at, as long as it can be reliable, will be plenty. So yeah, don't worry guys, I'm not gonna go crazy into drift cars. I still love going fast and building the Hondas and stuff, but I wanted to jump on this. I think it was a good opportunity, and I'm pretty excited to learn about some other cars for once. So yeah, it's definitely gonna be an adventure, and I really don't know what else to say about this video. I just wanted to share that we did pick this thing up with you guys, and I hope you all had a good New Year's. This is just gonna be a short update video, and yeah, it's gonna be it for tonight guys. I hope you're excited, and thanks for watching.